Hello everyone, welcome to this video in which we are going to see that how are we going to install apps in our PC. So if you want to install an app in your mobile phone, you can use apps like Play Store or App Store. Now in the PC, if you want to install the apps, the process is going to be very simple, same to what you do on installing apps in your mobile phone. But the only thing is that you need to know the name of the app that you're going to use, right? So in your PC, you have an app called Microsoft Store. To access it, you just need to go to the start icon and just type in store. So Microsoft Store will be showing, and this is the app that you will be using. So here I have opened my Microsoft Store app, and now I can download or install any of the apps that is supported by it. So if you just scroll down, you will see some of the apps over here like Instagram, WhatsApp, Netflix, etc. are given over here. So if you want, if you're not able to see your desired app, you can simply just go here and search for your app. Suppose I want Spotify, so I have just searched for Spotify, and it will give me some results in a few seconds. And here it is, the Spotify app. To install the app, simply just click on install and it will start the installation process. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.